includes social media, whether you like it or not. I meet people all the time, they go, oh yeah, I have LinkedIn, but oh, I need the Facebook. I could never make money on Facebook. Well, I don't like Twitter. I don't like... And I go, okay. What do your prospects do? I talk to realtors all the time. I go, what if the guy who came into your open house actually likes Twitter? I'll be honest with you right now. Ready? I am on Twitter. I have never once ever tweeted anything. I follow people that tweet. I'm a golfer. I love to golf. Just see me golf, not pretty, but I like to golf. But I follow Bubba Watson, I follow Ricky Fowler, I follow all my favorite golfers, and I like to see what they're doing and where they're going, and my son and I follow golfers on Twitter. If you knew somebody was going to be somewhere every day, why wouldn't you want to at least push something to them? Not maybe every day, but if you knew they were going to be there, it's a marketer's dream. You don't have to be a Twitter phenomenon to just push something to Twitter. You don't have to love Facebook to have a business Facebook page and push something there, because maybe your prospects love it. Maybe your prospects don't. Only you know how to define your prospect. It's probably... All right, here's where I say you start. And if you started here, I commend you. Call the blog. We're going to see today why a blog is your most important ally in this overall plan. This is not Jim talking. The entire internet community is saying the number one thing you need is a hosted blog of your own. And most of you are thinking, well, who cares about a blog? I've got a website, I've got a Facebook and a Twitter. What's this? If you made the blog the central part of your plan, if you made this blog a central part of your plan, some really neat push and pull things could actually happen. Okay? Let's look at this. If it becomes the nucleus of your online marketing program, did we alienate your website? No. Everything else is important, isn't it? But I can create a push and a pull with a blog very easily. All right. So why are blogs best? How many think blogs are best already? If you blog, you like Twitter, I'm telling you. Follow us on Facebook if you want. Follow us, just like I'm telling you, give people the way to follow you in the way they want. If you just follow us on one of these, somebody's going to win a tablet of their choice on December 26th. We're going to pull a name. Why did we do that? And we're also marking this to 12,000 or 15,000 people in a database. And we want to get people who want to know what's going on in the commercial world together with people that are doing deals and put the tombstones of the deals and what's going on and what's happened in cost savings, what happened in all these different legal things on the hub, so you're all getting that out on your social media where you want to see it, you can link to it and click to it. So we're using my system actually for this group. Does that sound pretty good to you guys to keep this conference going all year? Are your, I keep using Jeff because I know Jeff, but I mean Jeff, the wholesale owner, Jeff, are your underwriting criteria going to change this year sometime? Could be. And product type going to change this year? Yeah. So instead of waiting next year to find out what Jeff can do and all the other lenders and everybody else and what's going on, you're going to see it on your social media. And all you have to do is go like us on the site. So I gave you these to encourage you to do that, because we're trying to get this to, we've been to the San Diego conference, we're going to be in LA, being here.